So when I bought this truck, it had a ton of problems. One of them being the stock rear bumper. It was bubbling with rust. It was missing the plastic trim pieces. I knew when I started this project that I would definitely need to build a new bumper for it. The base for this bumper is a 3" by 5" rectangular tube. I got this idea from Overland Under Budget, who has a ton of great videos and a great tutorial on how to make a bumper like this. This was one of my first ever welding projects, and I would say it's a great starting point for someone who wants to get into welding and fabricating. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for sticking around, guys. Please be sure to check out my full build of this truck. I hope you enjoyed the bumper build, and please consider subscribing. I'm hoping to do a whole lot more of this stuff on my first gen Tacoma and my third gen 4Runner. So I hope to see you guys around next time. Thanks for watching.